If you need to email itch.io, the first thing to know is that the best contact method depends on what you're trying to do. For account recovery, payments, private information, or any sensitive issue, you should use the official Contact Us link in the website footer or email support at support@itch.io. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most direct way to reach itch.io support so you can get the help you need without wasting time. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss future walkthroughs like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official itch.io website. Once the site loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. In the footer area, look for a link that says Contact Us or something very similar under the support section. This is one of the safest ways to reach the itch.io team because it routes your message through their official support system. If you're on a page where the footer is not immediately visible, you may need to scroll a little further down until you find it. Once you spot the Contact Us link, click it. This should open the official support or help page where itch.io provides guidance for different kinds of issues. If your issue is related to account recovery, payments, billing, or private account information, this is exactly where you want to start. Now, if the support page gives you an email option, use the official address support@itch.io. That is the support email provided for questions and support on itch.io. When you send your email, make sure your message is clear and specific. Include your account name, describe the problem in simple terms, and mention any important details that can help the support team understand your issue faster. For example, if you're writing about a payment issue, include the date of the payment, the game or product involved, and what went wrong. If you're asking for account recovery, include the email address linked to your account and explain why you can't access it. The more relevant information you provide, the easier it is for support to assist you. It's also a good idea to avoid sending sensitive details unless you're using the official itch.io contact method. Never trust random emails or unofficial websites claiming to be itch.io support. Always double check that you are on the real itch.io domain and that you are using the official support address or contact us link from the website footer. If you're already logged into your itch.io account, you can still use the footer contact link to get help. If you're not logged in, that's usually fine for general support questions. But for account-specific issues, be prepared to verify information so the team can confirm ownership. When composing your email, keep it polite, short, and easy to read. Start with a brief subject line that explains the issue, then write a few clear sentences in the body. If needed, add screenshots or receipts to help explain the situation. After that, send the email and wait for a response from the support team. So to recap, if you need to email itch.io, use the official Contact Us link in the website footer or send your message to support@itch.io for questions and support. That's the safest and most reliable way to reach them for account recovery, payments, or private information. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.